beauties, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to review the wig that I'm wearing right now. It was sent to me from a company called Curly Me Collection. So if you'd like to find out my initial thoughts on this wig, then just keep watching. Before I get started, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me for today's video. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as turn on the notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my uploads. The company is Curly Me Collection, and I was contacted by them and they asked me to review a headband wig. I don't have a headband wig. I was really intrigued when they reached out to me and I wanted to try out their wig. I think they initially wanted me to test a different texture, and I wanted to try a straight texture because that's more of what I would typically wear, and I wanted it to look natural on me. I filmed some footage unboxing this wig, so I will insert that footage as I'm talking to you about the wig. I knew that I wanted to wand this hair and curl it, so I wanted to make sure that you guys got to see what the wig looked like when I unboxed it. The wig was shipped to me in this DHL package. It was really securely packaged. It was in this type of packaging. The box looks like this, and their handles are here on the back. So that's nice and sleek. The wig itself is a 22-inch wig. They asked me if I wanted like a longer one. I don't know if it was 26 inches. It was something very long that I don't typically wear. So I said I'd like a 22-inch, and it says it here. Okay, so it actually came in this bag, and this is Brazilian hair, and it says it here. On the inside of this box, I received the wig itself. I received 2 wig caps. These are the deluxe wig caps, and I have one of them on. I received some lashes, and these are very voluminous. They are mink hair lashes, 3D mink hair. And I received additional headbands. I received the headband that you see on my head. I also received this headband, this one as well, and a bejeweled type of headband. The hair was also protected in this netted type of material here. There's also like information here about how to take care of the hair. This is 5 stars review, and IG post and tag will get you $5 back and free gifts for your next order. There is also some information about the wig itself somewhere. Let me see if I can find that. As I said, the length is 22 inches and the density is 180 density. So it says here that the Curly Me Straight Popular Headband 180% full wig, human hair machine made wigs. I asked for natural black, so this is natural color is what it says here. Mine came with all of those various headbands, which I believe would come with yours as well. And I also mentioned that this is Brazilian hair, and I see here on their website that they accept PayPal, like you can purchase with PayPal, which is very nice. And it says medium size cap, about 22.5 to 23 inches, and 100% virgin human hair is what it says. And it ships DHL, FedEx, or UPS in 5 to 7 business days. So any other information that you would like to learn about the wig, you can check them out on their website. I will link it down below. So now let me just talk about my thoughts on the hair. I really like this. The hair is quite full, but it's also very natural. I feel like I could wear this out and it would look very natural on me and not look big. Like a lot of times when you sew with bundles, you can get it to look quite full. A wig is oftentimes a little bit more natural looking. The hair was extremely soft, and it still is, but it felt very, very soft coming out of the package. So I knew that I was in for a treat. The ends of this hair looked very nice, like no split ends or anything. I do not see like gray hairs in this hair. So the actual hair quality is nice. The hair itself just looks all one color, all natural black. The color is beautiful and it's quite comfortable. It has like 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back. There's actually a comb in the center as well, but I have on the wig cap, so I'm not using the comb on the center. I will also insert some footage of me applying this wig. It was really easy to apply. I typically don't wear a wig cap, but I decided to put it on with this. I just have my hair underneath. I just typically, because I don't braid my hair down, I have really curly hair. I don't go through the trouble of braiding down my hair. I just kind of create a few little pigtails, and that's what I do. So my hair is just in a few little pigtails underneath, and then I put on the wig cap, and then I tucked in each of the combs here in the front and pulled the back over the rest of my hair, and then I attached the Velcro piece that's in the back. So the hair came very straight and it curled beautifully. I curled this hair yesterday. It curled quite quickly, like it didn't take me long at all to curl it. I used a wand curler and I combed them out with my little rake comb here. I did comb the curls out today and it still curled to my liking. And I can just tell that it would stay curled for a while. So this is what it looks like, wand curled, and I'm excited to straighten it as well as just curl it with a regular curling iron to see how it holds up with that. What I'm liking about this, of course, is that you don't have to fumble with a closure. That's the benefit of the headband wig, is you don't have to, you know, part your hair and line up your closure and make sure your closure is laid, and you know, you don't have to go through that part of wearing a wig. You just have to push back your hair, show a little bit of your own edges, and you are out the door. So the benefit of this is that it's much more convenient than a typical wig with a closure. It will be something that you could easily whip on a Saturday and run your errands or go do whatever it is you want to do for the day, and it would be quite convenient. So I can definitely tell that the headband quality is like the type of headbands that they sent. These are nice and they're much more casual, of course, but because of that black one with the sparkles, you could dress it up if you wanted to. This hair seems like what I could even put this in a ponytail. Like it would be cute with a ponytail as well, or 2 little pigtails on the side if you wanted to. So I'm liking it. I use the Suave Clarifying shampoo and conditioner on this hair. I love using that on my virgin hair. It just makes it feel nice and clean. Then I let it air dry for a couple of days and then I curled it. And this is where we are. So if I would have like just put it all behind me, I think that it would be fine. Nice. I love the concept of the headband wig, and I really wanted to review this for the company because I felt like my viewers would like the concept too, because it is super convenient. This feels like I could dance. It feels like I could toss this hair any way that I want to and it's not coming off my head. Something about this feels extremely secure, as if it's not going to move. I've had it on now for a few hours. I'm not having any issues with it. I'm not experiencing shedding, tangling. Of course, I haven't had it long enough for matting. It did not have any harsh smells. I didn't smell anything when I first opened the package. It's the kind of hair that you want to get. I don't want to really say the price in this video because prices change, but the price that I'm seeing for this wig seems like a bargain. If I run my hands through it and fluff it out, I can get it to look really full, or I can kind of calm it down and get it to look a little bit less full. I'm happy that this company reached out to me. You are going to see this wig again. I just switched out my lighting battery as well as my camera battery, so you may notice something different. This is again an unboxing of this hair. This is my first time wearing the hair. I will come back later and give you guys an update in the description box as well as the comments down below and let you all know how the hair held up over time. My experience with the hair so far, from unboxing to shampooing to curling and styling and now applying it, all of it has been very positive. It is very easy hair. It's easy hair and I'm pretty thrilled about it. I think that you guys should check them out. Also guys, the hair comes in a few other colors. I see burgundy, I see number 2, and I see number 4. So be sure to click down in the description box and check out the link for this hair so that you can find out more information about this particular wig. They also sell other styles of wigs as well as human hair bundles. So I hope that you all have enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I will respond. And if you've not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button before you leave. So I'll be seeing you guys again very soon in my next video. So until the next time we meet again, this is Savvy signing out.